Hey guys, welcome back to RC Brucey. You can see here today on the bench we got the Maxx. I had the Revo tires on here running and I got cogging issues due to the oversized tires, so we're changing the pinion gear. And I thought I'd do a quick video because I had a hard time finding actually clear videos on actually how to do the spur and pinion gear mesh setup, especially with the Traxxas system. They use the pin underneath that you may or may not know. But they use the pin system for the exact adjustment, which is a very nice system, but I had a hard time finding any of the information. Maybe it's just me or whatever, but I'm going to show you how to do it real quick and make it real easy. And this is a newer model and I hope it helps somebody out there. So let's get started. I'm actually going from a 24 pinion gear to a 20, like I said, due to the cogging. I've already changed it, make things a little easier on the video setup. But you're going to need a 2mm hex or in a 2.5. Right in the beginning here, up and over the motor, there's normally this cover here with 2 bolts on the top, one here, one there, and then there's one that goes in right about there that's on the horizontal plane. You take those 2 out, this cover comes right off. Holding the motor here, I'm going to flip the truck over so you can see there's 1 bolt that goes there, 1 bolt that goes there, and right here inside that hole, right down the center of the chassis, is the 3rd bolt that holds the motor in. Once you have those removed and the cover off, the motor will come up and out, and just like I was saying, right there on the bottom of this plate, that little pin. Be careful because sometimes it sticks in here and then you start flipping the model and then next thing you know your pin's missing. Once you have that done, you can go and remove your pinion gear. This was up on the 3rd or 4th hole up, which lines up with the holes down the bottom of the plate here. There's a whole series of holes. What it does is that depending if you go out further away from the rear set of tires, it spaces the pinion gear farther away from the spur gear, or if you bring it in closer because it's at an angle, it brings the pinion gear closer. So since I couldn't find the information online for the gearing that I have here, I have no idea, but I found every other thing but the Maxx. What I did is move it up a hole at a time until it matched, and it worked. And how I tested, you can hear how smooth it was. When I had it too far out, the gears weren't all grabbing each other. I could see it when I was rolling. And when I went too far, when I thought I had it right, I went 1 more hole just to make sure. And then it was too tight. It wasn't rolling smooth as you hear here. And that's how you set it. Very, very easy system. That Traxxas has here. I've used it on the Maxx and other ones, so it's an awesome setup. Like I said, I don't know why. Maybe because it's so new they don't have it out yet, or maybe I'm just a dummy and I couldn't find it. But anyway, so once you have all that done, reverse assembly. I always hold the motor, put the 3 screws back in, tighten it down, the cover back on, 2 screws up top like I said, and 1 on the horizontal plane. And you're all done. You're all ready set to go out and bash. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it helped someone out there. I hope I was clear enough. If not, comment below, ask any question. I'll try to help you get back as fast as I can. Sometimes the comments come in and there's so many, I can't keep up. I'm only one person. But I promise you eventually I will get back to you. And if I am delayed or late, greatly apologize. But once again, hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching RC Brucey, guys. I'll see you next time. Happy bashing, everybody.